crew resource management training. To maximize their effectiveness in the aircraft, crew members not only need to acquire a sound grasp of the technical knowledge and skills necessary for the fulfillment of their particular role in the aircraft, but they also need to understand and develop the cognitive and interpersonal skills which are a prerequisite for good CRM. CRM skills like cognitive and interpersonal skills are mostly concerned with understanding and interpreting behavior, so they are more appropriately developed through a process known as experiential learning. Successful experiential learning occurs when an individual reflects on their past behavior in a given organizational situation and gains sufficient insight to form a rational basis for behaving more effectively when faced with similar circumstances in the future. Consequently, CRM training usually takes place in groups and is often assisted by a trained facilitator who is equipped with the relevant knowledge, skills and techniques to foster the learning process. Objectives of CRM training. For both historical and practical reasons, CRM skills have tended to be taught separately from technical knowledge and skills, but the considerable area of overlap between the two disciplines suggests that the training would be more effective if it was integrated from the earliest stages of the aircrew training regime. The objectives of CRM training are as follows. To enhance crew and management awareness of human factors which could cause or exacerbate incidents which affect the safe conduct of air operations. To enhance knowledge of human factors and develop CRM skills and attitudes which, when applied appropriately, could extricate an aircraft operation from emerging accidents and incidents, whether perpetrated by technical or human factor failings. To use CRM knowledge, skills and attitudes to conduct and manage aircraft operations, and fully integrate these techniques throughout every facet of the organization culture to prevent the onset of incidents and potential accidents. To use these skills to integrate commercially efficient aircraft operations with safety. To improve the working environment for crews and all those associated with aircraft operations. To enhance the prevention and management of crew error. Summary. In this module, we have learned that crew resource management, CRM, is defined as a management system that makes optimum use of all available resources, equipment, procedures, and people to promote safety and enhance flight operations efficiency. CRM is concerned with the cognitive and interpersonal skills to manage the flight within an organized system. Effective communication between crew members is an essential prerequisite for good CRM. Stress is defined as a state of highly unpleasant emotional arousal associated variously with overload, fear, anxiety, anger and hostility threatening both individual performance and teamwork. CRM skills like cognitive and interpersonal skills are more appropriately developed through a process known as experiential learning.